Came across a FAM file in an engineering project folder and unsure how to access its contents? These files are part of Bentley's infrastructure design ecosystem. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with Bentley iModel family files. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated FAM file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. A FAM file is a component family file used by Bentley Systems iModel Composer software. Engineers and architects use these files to store standardized reusable components like windows, doors, or structural elements. The user's goal is to import these predefined objects into a larger building information model, BIM or CAD project. This is a proprietary binary data file structured to contain geometric data, parameters, and metadata for a family of related CAD components. The format is optimized for efficient loading and rendering within the Bentley ecosystem, encapsulating complex relationships and constraints that define how the component behaves. The fundamental software link for FAM files is built around Bentley iModel Composer by Bentley Systems. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows has limited support for engineering formats, so full inspection requires suitable CAD software. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the FAM file and choose Open With. Use Bentley iModel Composer first. If it's absent, select another program. This systematic test sequence is essential. If your FAM file will not open, do not worry. Given the proprietary nature of this FAM file, basic errors are the norm. We just need to confirm a few specific settings before proceeding to the actual fix. First, opening with iModel Composer. Install Bentley iModel Composer or MicroStation from bentley.com and open the FAM file using File Then Open. The component family loads with all parametric definitions intact, ready for placement into iModel projects with full attribute and geometry editing capabilities. Next, importing into MicroStation. Launch MicroStation and use the Cell Library or Component Center to import the FAM file. The family components become available for placement throughout your design with full parametric behavior. Configure workspace settings to ensure proper unit scaling and coordinate system alignment for the imported components. Finally, converting for other CAD tools. Export the FAM components from iModel Composer to IFC-DGN or DWG format using File Then Export for use in Revit AutoCAD or other BIM platforms. Note that parametric intelligence may be lost during conversion, so retain the original FAM file as the authoritative source. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.